Good afternoon, Mr. Watson. I want to show you how to go through circuit tracing boxes. So here's a circuit tracing box. It's got 4 red points on one side, 4 black points on the other. It will show you how to figure out how they're wired. I should say that these are made by duplicating what's in the Ohmmeter Challenge program by ETC-AI, their circuit tracing exercise. I liked it so much, I built all 10 boxes that are shown in that exercise. So one thing for going through these, and the thing that you do reverse engineering, is necessary data charts. So here's the data charts for doing this exercise. What my data chart consists of here is you have a chart here. It's got 4 columns, 4 rows. The 4 columns and 4 rows happen to correspond with the 4 red test points, the 4 black test points. So how do we do this? Well, we start by have the multimeter here. We need to put it on this sound icon. So switch it to the sound icon. How do you tell you when you want to sound icon? It's easy. Put the meter leads together. Yeah, the meter will beep when it's on sound icon. In the industry, we tend to call that short testing or connection testing. And the beep is when you have the meter lead somewhere, particularly if you have them up and you can't look at the meter, you hear the beep, you know you have a connection between the points. That's the purpose of it. So we got the meter, we got our circuit tracing boxes. So what we want to do, put the red on the left, to the left of you, black to the right of you. You'll have test point 1 pointing farthest away and 4 closest to you. And then you take the meter leads and you start going through it. Okay, this one I'm going from point 1, red one to black one, and the meter is beeping. That means I have a connection. On this data chart, what I would do is put an X right there, meaning I got a point 1 to 1. Let's go through this whole box. Watch how fast I can do this. Okay, I had a beep 1 to 1, but no, from red one to the other ones, I didn't have any beeps. Okay, red 2 to black 2, I had a beep. No other ones. 3. Red 3 to black 3. And red 3 to black 4. Now I'm on red 4. I have a point from red 4 to black 3 and red 4 to black 4. So once you've gone through and got all those, and I said, here's the data chart. You would fill in the data chart. Now, here's the example, which was not the box I just did. The box I just did showed 1 to 1, 2 to 2, 3 to 3, 3 to 4. So like this, on this particular example, 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 1, and 2 to 2. So what does it mean? Well, here's how. Once you got all this stuff filled in, and let me back up a slide. You create the diagram for it. Here's what that example was. So you have a wire going across like this, 1 to 1, 2 to 2, 3 to 3, 3 to 4. But because I read from 1 to 1 and 1 to 2, that meant that they were connected together here in the middle. Here are the 3 to 3 and 3 to 4, 4 to 4 and 4 to 3. So they go straight across and they're connected in the middle of this one and on this one. That's essentially how you do circuit tracing boxes. It's the beginning of understanding how to reverse engineer. This is how you reverse engineer stuff where you're just dealing with wiring connections and so you don't have anything else. Let me tell you what the big secret is. Knowing the meter is one of the secrets. The data charts is the bigger secret. Understand how to create the data charts and then get the information out, interpret them later. That is huge for doing reverse engineering. And that's all for today.